1134 West Oroville. Here is this nice big living room. There's a swamp cooler. And here we have this nice big laundry room. Washer dryer hookups, of course. There's the front bathroom. This is the dining room. There's the kitchen. Here is the back bathroom. Tub shower. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And there's a wall furnace. There you have it, OrovilleRentals.com.